Ooh, that's tricky.
Ready?
There
goes the apple. There goes the pine cone. I didn't see the pine cone. Hey. Oh.
The pine used to actually go pretty well.
He caught the apple.
Good job, man.
Right.
Yep.
That was too long.
Okay, Deborah. That apple core. Oh, it stayed in the paper. Yeah, part. Go.
What happened?
Whoa, it's still going up.
Wow.
I don't even see it.
I see it. It's coming down right. Okay.
Wow.
That was a shotgun.
That hurt my ear.
Oh my God. Half potato. You ready? Oh my goodness. That's a champion right there. That's 130 mile an hour potato.
Is that good?
Yep, yep.
Yeah.
I gotta get that.
Let Uncle Rick help hold it.
I just want to aim it.
There you go, Eric. That should be pretty good. Hey! Okay, here we go. New kind of. Oh my goodness. That was new stuff works good.
Snowing on me.
Look at it up there.
I see it.
3, 2, 1. Okay, when you're ready to go.
Do you want to put it the other way? Whoa.
That, man, that's a mile up there.
I see it. Yeah, they had no chance of that one. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I definitely take a.
Whoa! That's a win.
That's nice. Jordan,
Okay.
potato, teeny bit to the right. Yep, go. Oh yeah. That's a mile up and it's right over. Oh!
So close.
I'm not allowed to plant.
Potato. That is so high. That's coming over. That's gonna be 120.
Look over there.
Alright, shoot it up.
Back
You got a little potato shot. Fire it.
Wow. That really
Catch it!
Come on, we're aiming.
You can't even. A little higher. Whoa!
Probably the neighbor's backyard.
Oh my.
What's in there?
Jordan?
Yeah.
Oh, I know that hurt.
Okay.
Nice shot. That's actually pretty accurate.